Welcome to Ejaz Sports Club. Today we are diving into mastering modern karate techniques for today's fighter. Whether you are training for competitions, self-defense, or personal growth, these advanced karate techniques will elevate your skills and sharpen your fighting edge. Do not forget to press subscribe button and like my videos and share my channel's link to the others. Let's start the video. Introduction to modern karate techniques. Shotokan karate is known for its powerful, precise strikes and disciplined training. While many focus on basics, mastering advanced techniques like the Uramowa Shigeri and Ishiro-geri Kikomi can transform your approach to kumite and real-world defense. These moves challenge your balance, timing, and creativity, quality essential for modern fighters. Technique number one, Uramowa Shigeri, reverse roundhouse kick. First up is the Uramowa Shigeri or reverse roundhouse kick. Unlike the traditional roundhouse kick that arc outwards, this kick swings inward across your opponent's center line, targeting blind spots in their guard. Step by step breakdown. Stance. Start in a fighting stance like Zen Koto Sodachi. Lift the kicking leg, bending at the knee with the foot flexed. Rotate the hips and generate power for the core. Extend the kicking leg in a circle motion, striking with the ball of the foot or in step. Make contact with the target using the generated power. Quickly retract the kicking leg to the chambered position. Some key points: maintain balance throughout the kick, use hip rotation and core strength, control the kicking leg's extension and retraction. Training tips: practice the kick slowly, focusing on the technique, increase speed and power gradually, training with a partner or focus mitt holder. This kick requires hip flexibility, precise body control, and excellent timing to catch your opponent off guard. Technique number two, Ashiro Gari Kikomi, thrusting back kick. Next is the Ashiro Gari Kikomi, a thrusting back kick used to counter aggressive attack. Step by step breakdown. From a Kokotsudachi back stance, pivot your sporting foot, chamber your kicking leg by bending the knee, extend the leg straight back, striking with the heel. Use your hip to drive the kick forward with maximum force. This kick is perfect for stopping opponents, charging forward, creating instant space in sparring or self-defense. From a Kokotsudachi, pivot your sporting foot, chamber your kicking leg by bending the knee. Extend the leg straight back, striking with the heel. Use your hip to drive the kick forward with maximum force. This kick is perfect for stopping opponent charging forward, creating instant space in the sparring or self-defense. Technique number 3, Oizuki, stepping forward punch. Finally, the Oizuki adds a modern twist to traditional stepping punch by attacking from a 30 to 45-degree angle. Step by step breakdown. Begin in Zen Kotosudachi. Step forward diagonally while delivering a powerful punch. Rotate your hip and shoulder to maximize reach and power. keep your guard up to blend offense with defense. Technique number 4, Yako Moashigeri. Step by step breakdown. Start in a strong Zen Kotosudachi. Rotate your hip to generate power while lifting your rear leg. Swing the leg inward, striking with the instep or ball of the foot. Maintain dynamic balance throughout the kick. Practical applications and training tips. Integrating these techniques into your training routine will improve your balance, timing, and adaptability. Practice them slowly at first, focusing on form and control, then gradually increase speed and power. Suggested drill. Shadow sparring incorporating these kicks and punches. Partner drill focusing on timing and counter attack. Flexibility exercises to enhance hip mobility. Remember, mastering modern karate is about blending tradition with innovation, pushing your limits with respect the art. Thanks for training with us today at Ijaz Sports Club. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment to your favorite technique and subscribe for more advanced tutorial. Stay disciplined, stay strong and keep mastering your craft.